Hello everyone. In this question, we will be discussing about Anthropocene epoch. Anthropocene epoch is basically an unofficial unit of geologic time that is used to describe the most recent period in Earth's history when human activity started to have a significant impact on the planet's climate and ecosystem. And officially, the current epoch is known as the Holocene epoch. Some scientists think that Anthropocene describes a new geologic time period. To them, there was the debate about when did the Anthropocene begins. Some theory states that it began at the start of the Industrial Revolution of 1800s when the human activity